cupcakes.
You're gonna need
Cake mix,
half a cup of oil,
1 cup of milk,
and 3 eggs. Okay, let's start. First, we'll have to open up the cake mix.
and
Okay, now let's open this and dump it all in.
everything.
Yep, everything.
Okay.
Oh, wait, Anish, that's not big enough of a hole. We need big. Oops.
My apron, I'm painted.
Anish, that's what an apron's for.
I put that on it.
Yeah.
Not the end. No painted.
Okay, squeeze it all out. Dump it. No.
Yes. I have to whisk it. I need to whisk it. Whisk it.
You don't need to mix it. It's the only thing in the box. In the bowl. Okay. Now we're gonna put the vegetable oil. Half a cup of vegetable oil. Yeah, you can put it.
Everything?
Yeah, everything. Everything.
Which means I need mixing.
Now you can mix it.
Okay, thanks.
Mix it nice and good, Anish. Okay, my turn. Okay, it's clumping together, but it's not wet enough yet. So we're gonna add 1 cup of milk.
Okay, now we need to mix.
Mix it good, Anish. And while he's mixing that, I'm gonna stir up 1 of the 3 eggs. And now, while I'm stirring, Anish, you can dump this in.
With a fork?
With the fork. It doesn't matter. With a remote. Good job. Okay, now let's switch again. Okay guys, we filled out all of these baking cups and now you just have to pour this in. So you're going to take something like this and take about 1 cup. And just pour it in like that. And this should be enough because it's going to rise later. And we're just going to do this to all of the others. Hi, welcome back. We finished putting all of our stuff into the cups. And we made some big ones and then we decided to make some smaller ones that have a little Valentine's theme. So we already preheated the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook this for about 12 to 17 minutes. And this, we're gonna take it, I think maybe 7 minutes and then test it with toothpick. Hi guys, we're finished with these cupcakes and we're just gonna quickly check if they're actually done. Gonna put a toothpick through the center of one of them. Comes out pretty clean. Yep, they're done. Okay, so we just pulled the big ones out of the ovens, and as you can see, there are a bunch of pancakes. We put too much batter in it, but we're gonna quickly check if they're cooked. Doesn't look like it's quite cooked yet, but yeah, might need a little more cooking. Now the cupcakes are cooked, and you need to make sure not to overfill it, otherwise you'll get pancakes. And now we're gonna let them cool, and then we're preparing icing right now. Hello guys, so we started icing all of them, and we made icing using some icing sugar, milk, water, your choice. And then I'm gonna just quickly show you how I ice it. Different ways. First way, I'm not very good at this way, but sometimes I try it anyways. So you make something in the middle, and then you start going like this. Go around and around. These ones are big cupcakes. As I told you, they became pancakes. So you have to go around for a while. And I'm going to stop right here, and then you just lift it up. See, I'm not very good at it, but it looks kind of good. And just take a few sprinkles. Yeah. Or you could do like a dot here, and maybe a dot here, and a dot here, and a dot here, a dot here, and a dot here, a dot here, a dot here, and a dot here. Something like that. And I would just do that. Yeah, that's it. Now we're going to finish icing the little ones over there, and we'll see you when we're done.